Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Gel Cure Glue is probably one of the most sought-after nail adhesives in the beauty market, offering a revolutionary approach to nail enhancement with its long-lasting, durable, and easy application process. This video will dive deep into what makes Gel Cure Glue stand out from the competition, exploring its unique formula, application techniques, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the right choice for your nail care needs. Number 5. NYK 1 Nail Bond Glue. This is the ultimate solution for all your nail needs. It's super strong and long-lasting, perfect for press-on nails, tips, and acrylics. It provides a salon professional strength bond. You'll get reliable, long-lasting results that you can trust. Application is a breeze thanks to the built-in precision brush. It's quick-drying and water-resistant for effortless use. It's ideal for press-on nails, fake nails, nail tips, and even nail art. It's versatile enough to meet all your nail needs. This bottle contains 8 milliliters of glue, giving you plenty for multiple applications. It's great value for its superior quality. This formula is water-resistant, ensuring your manicure stays put even when exposed to water. Enjoy long-lasting wear without worry. What we like? It boasts superior strength and a quick-drying formula for a long-lasting hold. The precise brush applicator ensures effortless application. If you need a reliable, salon-quality glue for your press-on nails, this is the one for you. What people say. The glue has a strong, long-lasting hold and ensures my nails stay intact for days without lifting or peeling. The applicator is easy to use and delivers just the right amount of glue without making a mess. It dries quickly, too. My nails generally last 2+ weeks with this glue. Number 4. Beetles Gel Nail Kit. This kit has everything you need for beautiful, long-lasting nails. It includes 500 nail tips, a 5-in-1 nail glue gel, and a revolutionary UV lamp. The UV lamp has smart sensors. It turns on when you insert your nail and off when you remove it, making curing quick and easy. This versatile glue gel isn't just for attaching tips, it also works as a base gel, blooming gel, rhinestone glue, and slip solution. It's truly multifunctional. These high-quality nail tips are comfortable and durable. They come in 10 sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for every finger. Extend your nails in minutes and enjoy them for over 21 days. The upgraded formula ensures strong, chip-resistant results. What we like? This kit contains everything you need for DIY nail extensions, including a smart lamp and a versatile 5-in-1 gel. It's perfect for beginners and saves you time and money. If you are looking for a complete nail extension solution, this is your best bet. What people say. The Beetles glue is the best, hands down. I've tried all the major ones, even super glue, and the UV LED Beetles is clean. Lasts 2 weeks-ish for me, but with the occasional pop-off. This is a game changer. I did both hands in under an hour with salon-quality results at home. It is just as strong as acrylic if not stronger, super easy to do yourself. From start to finish it only took me 45 minutes to an hour. And that was my first time ever doing it. Number 3. Makartt Nail Rhinestone Glue. This super strong gel nail glue is perfect for creating stunning Valentine's Day nail art or any dazzling design. It's ideal for all nail types and keeps your rhinestones securely in place. It boasts a super sticky formula, ensuring your nail gems and gel stay put for up to 2 weeks. Say goodbye to loose rhinestones and hello to long-lasting sparkle. The convenient tube design makes it easy to dispense the perfect amount of glue, preventing mess and spills. It's a must-have for nail professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Made with natural resin, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and has no harsh odor. It's gentle on your skin and nails, and fast-drying under a UV lamp. Simply apply the glue to your nail, add your rhinestones, and cure under a UV lamp for about 3 minutes. For larger rhinestones, add extra glue to the base for extra security. This 30 milliliters bottle of Makartt Nail Rhinestone Glue makes a wonderful gift for the nail art lover in your life. It's a must-have for creating beautiful, long-lasting nail designs. What we like? It's incredibly strong and perfect for securing rhinestones and other nail embellishments. The convenient tube design makes application easy and mess-free. If you love creating dazzling nail art, this is the glue for you. What people say. The best rhinestone glue out there. The picture speaks for themselves, guys. I have done nails that lasted up to 3+ weeks, even over a month, and they have not lost a charm or rhinestone to them. The durability of this gel is so strong that once you glue something on, I really need to use tweezers and/or clamps to get it off. I also love that the glue is clear white. There's no bubbles, so it doesn't throw off the scent if you apply too much. If you're a nail tech, you know this is hands down the best rhinestone glue. I have yet to lose a charm, and I use bows and gems on every nail set that I do. It's super thick and sticky and can get messy in the cap, so make sure to wipe clean when you're done. But it works brilliantly, and I won't be trying a different brand anytime soon. This holds my jewels really well, and I can use it for doing shell nail art. Number 2. Beetles 5-in-1 Nail Glue Kit. This innovative kit is a game changer for your nail art. It's 5 products in one, making your DIY manicures easier than ever. It acts as a nail glue, base gel, blooming gel, rhinestone glue, and slip solution. Get creative and explore endless possibilities. Unlike traditional nail glues, it's formulated to be low odor and gentle on your nails. Enjoy a comfortable and pleasant nail experience. Extend your nails in minutes and enjoy a flawless manicure for up to 28 days. It's incredibly strong and break-resistant. It's easy to apply and works with all soak-off gel polishes, natural nails, and artificial nails. Get ready to create stunning nail art. While this product has passed quality checks, it's always best to do a patch test if you have sensitive skin. Discontinue use if any irritation occurs. What we like. This versatile 5-in-1 gel is not only a nail glue but also a base coat, blooming gel, and more. It's formulated to be healthy and gentle on your nails. If you prioritize a safe and multifunctional nail glue, this is the ideal choice. What people say. My nails will last me 2+ weeks with the proper prep of my natural nail. There is no smell and it cures clear. Long-lasting nails, very good quality, works perfect and great hold. Once you apply it, it is so strong that it won't come off for weeks or until you try to take them off. They are thick enough once cured in 30 seconds, everyone will believe you got them done professionally. Glossy, cures fast, and easy to use. Number 1. Gelike EC Gel Nail Glue. This innovative nail glue is more than just adhesive, it's a 6-in-1 system designed to simplify your manicure routine and deliver long-lasting results. Get ready to experience salon-quality nails from the comfort of your home. It provides a strong, break-resistant bond that lasts up to 28 days. Whether you're at work or celebrating a special occasion, your manicure will stay flawless. This multifunctional gel acts as an adhesive, base coat, builder, strengthener, extension gel, and blooming gel. It's a time-saver and cost-effective solution for all your nail needs. It works beautifully on natural nails, gel nails, artificial nails, acrylic nails, and nail tips. Its clear, bubble-free formula ensures a flawless finish every time. Application is quick and easy, setting in just seconds. Made with 9 toxin-free ingredients, it's a safe, organic, and low-odor alternative to traditional nail glue. It's gentle on your nails and the environment. We're dedicated to providing a superior nail experience. Use it with our other products for even better results. Enjoy beautiful, long-lasting nails with confidence. What we like. It provides a long-lasting, strong hold for your nails and offers 6 functions in one. It's also formulated with healthy, toxin-free ingredients. If you're looking for a versatile, long-lasting, and healthy nail glue, this is the perfect option. What people say. This is literally one of the best glues I've ever used. I use press-on nails to save money. And I bought this because the glue that comes with the nails are crap. I've had my press-on nails with this glue for a week now. A week. With no regluing or breakage. This glue is thick, but so easy to apply. I love using this glue because, not only does it keep my nails on for a very long time, but when applied correctly, no bubbles form under the nail. I use 1 to 2 layers of this, curing each 1 to 1.5 minutes. I do not use a primer or dehydrator or anything. Just this. Then add 1 to 2 layers of candy gel polish and 1 layer of a maily top coat. My polish has not budged in like 2 weeks. It doesn't peel or chip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.